for Sunday, we made it 2 words, and it's mellow instead of mango. Where did they get that picture of you, Jack? Was that from here?
Yeah, I want.
Do a commercial, Jess. Go ahead. For the tasty treat. Come on. You're so camera shy. You're...
Do you want to do a commercial?
Yeah, go ahead. Kyle's waiting for his. Joel's gonna take it though. The old canning plant, is that what he called it?
Yeah. Cannery.
Cool. Wait. Hi.
Hi.
Where are we?
Christina Lake.
Very good. And a nice little cabin. Martin finally got the key in the door, did he?
Yeah.
This is beautiful here. I say we push you in.
No.
It's a big lake.
Oh, sun's not quite here yet, eh?
Nice spot, eh, Martin? Mm.
Water's warm?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll be real nice. So you guys, we have to make sure we just keep the doors closed because squirrels and chipmunks and stuff get in there. They cause havoc. Yeah, this is beautiful.
Look out, Leah, look out!
Get some rocks. Get her down. Okay. Raider, no, get over here. Raider.
Is there people next door? Get it, Raider, get it! Trying to huck up some bees.
Look at that, Raider. Look at it.